Should I use Shopify or make my own website? Choosing between Shopify and building your own website depends on how much control, time, and technical effort you're willing to invest. Shopify is ideal if you want a ready-made, reliable, and secure platform where everything from hosting to payments is handled for you. Creating your own website offers more flexibility and control, but requires more technical skills, setup time, and maintenance. Shopify simplifies everything. You can launch your store quickly with professional templates, built-in payment systems, and marketing tools. It also includes SSL security, hosting, and 24/7 support, letting you focus on sales instead of back-end management. If you build your own site, you'll need to manage hosting, updates, design, and integrations manually, which can take longer and cost more over time. In real-world practice, many entrepreneurs start with Shopify because it lets them test products, build a brand, and start earning quickly. Developers or businesses with custom requirements sometimes choose to build their own websites later for more control. However, for most online stores, Shopify strikes the perfect balance between ease, functionality, and scalability. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to customizable themes, secure hosting, and powerful e-commerce tools that help you create and grow your online business without technical hassle.